passionate, welcome back to my channel. Well, I just unboxed my Marc Jacobs Tote in my previous video, and as told you I wanted to make a tiny review about it, so here it is. And before I forget, subscribe to my channel and do not hesitate to click on the bell if you want to have all notifications about my coming video. Thanks! So, here is my mini tote bag Marc Jacobs in the color Regal Orchid. It's a soft lavender and I am completely obsessed with it. The tote bag Marc Jacobs exists in 3 sizes. This is the mini, as told you. There's also a small one and a larger one. I will put the dimension in inches below, but in centimeter, this mini size is 21 centimeter, 26 centimeter, and 13 centimeter. Even if it is the mini size, I can tell you it fits a bunch. I will just show you now exactly what I put inside today. And here it is. So you open with the zipper and look inside how much I fit. It's incredible. So just to show you, I put my Roseau Essentiel pouch from Longchamp, and I can tell you this is a large size. It contains all my pens and all my essentials when I want to draw, and it's a big one. The color is vert almond green for those who are interested. I have also my agenda, and you can tell it's a classic one, so a normal size, and it fits inside. I have also took my Hermes notebook. This is the mini size, but there's a bunch of paper, so it was inside. In the flap pocket, I have put my wallet and my card holder from Longchamp. And of course, I got my phone. And now the bag is empty. And this is what I really love with this bag. It's so easy to use thanks to the zip, which is really perfect. Look at this. It's perfection. As shown you in my unboxing video, this is magnetic, so this part of leather is all there, or you can put it inside the bag. And this bag is so light. It's incredible. It's all in leather, and I put this additional strap because I'm not fond of the strap which comes with the bags, but that's another story. Please check my unboxing video if you want to know. And the only parts in cotton, yes, it's like cotton, it's this flap pocket. But other than that, all the bag is in leather and it is so light. And look how gorgeous it is. I'm completely obsessed with it, and it's so easy, so funny, and yes, I love the style. I really love the style, and yes, for an everyday bag, it's perfect. So, I just wanted to show you this teeny review. If you have questions, do not hesitate to comment. And yes, if you like this tiny review, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more eye candy. Thanks for watching, have a great day. Merci d'avoir regardé, passez une très bonne journée et à bientôt. Bye guys.